Dear automation engineers, we are having another problem statement from the industry. According to this problem statement, an assembly station components are to be put together. By pressing two push button switches, the device is advanced and the components are assembled. After releasing the push button switches, the device is returned to its start position. This problem has to be solved with the help of pneumatic technology, and along with we have to use the electronic technology also. By pressing the push button switches S1 and S2, the electric circuit for the solenoid coil 1Y is closed and the 5x2 way solenoid valve is reversed. The piston rod of the double acting cylinder advances to the forward end position. After releasing the push button switches, the circuit for the solenoid coil 1Y is opened and the 5x2 way solenoid valve is switches back to its initial position by a reset spring. The piston rod of the double acting cylinder returns to the retracted end position. In this way, this system should be work. In this problem statement, we have to use double acting pneumatic cylinder in the assembly station, because we have to press the assembly component and lift the die also. So that's why I am using this double acting pneumatic cylinder with the two flow control valve to control the speed of forward and backward motion. As I am having only one signal from the operator, so that's why I am using single solenoid 5x2 DCV. In this problem statement, it is stated that the operator has to press two switches simultaneously. Then the system will give the signal and the cylinder will move advance to assemble the components. So in this system, we will need an AND gate of the two switches, because if one switch is pressed, the system should not be respond. When two switches will be parallelly pressed, the system should be respond. So in this exercise, we are going to use the direct actuation of this pneumatic system with the logic gates, which is AND gate. I will make the AND gate with the help of these electric switches. To make the AND gate, we just are doing nothing but only to the series connection. We will make the connection of two switches in the series. So let's see how it is be done. I will receive power to one switch and connecting to the normally open port of the switch. I will take power from normally open contact and will connect to the another switch of normal open contact, and I will collect the power from here and directly will be connected to the DCV. So what I have done, I received the power to one switch and another terminal is connected to the next terminal of the switch, and the final terminal is directly connected to the DCV. Now complete the circuit by connecting the ground connection to the DCV also. So first of all, let us check whether this logic is working or not. When one press button will be activated, there should be no signal. When the two buttons will be pressed simultaneously, there should be the signal to the DCV. So first of all, I am pressing one button. I am not receiving any signal here. When I am pressing this button, I am not receiving any signal here. When I am pressing two buttons, I am receiving signal here and it is diverting the 5x2 DCV and actuating the cylinder. When I release either of the switch, cylinder is returning. So in this way we make the logics like AND gate and OR gate. The application of OR gate and how it is being done will be discussed in the another exercises. In this way we have solved the problem of the industry, and this system will work as per the requirement.